Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be start about modifier. In our before class we was learning about misplaced modifier with definition of modifier. So today we will be discuss about dangling modifier and differentiate between dangling modifier and modifier. Also how to convert dangling modifier into the normal modifier. So let's start. First of all, we have to know what is dangling modifier. Dangling modifier is the modifier. It dangles or hangs when there is nothing for it to describe. In dangling modifier, it cannot be described about verb, adverb or phrases. It is called dangling modifier. It is the modifier when there is nothing for to describe. We have to use dangling modifier. It will modify the word or phrase which is not the actual word or phrase it is trying to modify. It will be modify the phrase which is not actual word or phrase. It is called dangling modifier. Dangling modifier is divided into two parts. One is dangling, second is modifier. First we will be discuss what is modifier, then we will be differentiate with dangling modifier, then we can understand easily what is modifier and what is dangling modifier. So, modifier is the word or phrase that describe another word or phrase. It mainly describe adjective, adverb and phrase. It is called modifier. Example, let's take one example. It make too easy. They were talking loudly. It is the modifier. It means loudly is the adverb. Also it is the modifier. It shows which pitch they were talking. That is called the modifier. And it is also one type of adverb, so it is called adverb of modifier. The red hat with a black feather is for sale. It is the red is the modifier. Red shows the color of the hat and the black shows feather's color is black. It is called adjective phrase and it is the modifier of adjective. It is called the modifier. Then we will be know what is dangling modifier. A word or phrase that describe another word or phrase, it is called modifier. A modifier dangles or hang, there are nothing for it to describe or else it modifies the word or phrase. When the modifier is nothing to describe, in that case we use dangling modifier. Dangling modifier is the dangles or hangs when there is nothing for to describe. It is called dangling modifier. So let's take some example that so it will make easy. So having arrived late for class, a lower grade was given. It is one sentence, that is having arrived late for class, a lower grade was given. In this case, having arrived late, it is the modifier and it is called dangling modifier because a lower grade was given. We don't know about that person who came late. When we don't get any information to who get late, so a lower grade was given. Who came late, we don't know, and in this sentence we cannot get any information about who come late. So it is the dangling modifier. It have nothing to describe, so it is called dangling modifier. And now we will be know how to convert dangling modifier into the simple and normal modifier. That's so dangling modifier and normal modifier we can distinguish easily. So simply two steps are here to convert dangling modifier into the normal modifier. First was the add the word or phrase. Second was the place it near the modifier. And let's take the same examples of this. Then we'll convert dangling modifier into the normal modifier, and that's so we can understand easily. It is the same example, that is having arrived late for class, a lower grade was given. Having arrived late for class, it is the dangling modifier because here is nothing to information about who came late. If there is nothing about to describe, in that case we use dangling modifier. So here is also one type sentence, a lower grade was given. Who get lower grade we cannot know, and who come late we cannot know. So it is called dangling modifier. When it will be changed into the dangling modifier into the normal modifier, we have to add that word or phrase. That's so we get information about that who come late and we join that John. John is the word. We add this sentence, then it will be changes into the dangling modifier into the normal modifier. So having arrived late for class, John is a word. We add near the modifier was given a lower grade. Having arrived late for class, John was given a lower grade. It is the normal modifier. It is the dangling modifier. We have to understand the differentiate between them. One sentence is having arrived late for class, a lower grade was given. In this sentence, we cannot get any information who come late. But in this sentence, we get information about who is coming late, that is John. So having arrived late for class, John was given a lower grade. It is all about the dangling modifier and modifier. And before class, I was saying you, that is before class we was learning what is modifier and misplaced modifier, and in this class we learn that is dangling modifier. It is all about modifier. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can tell me through comment. Thank you.